So 4Global come out with news today. They are a database in the physical activity area. They supplied all different places. They come out with a trading update today. Revenues up 14%, approximately 6.4 million. Due to higher than expected revenue generated from higher margin solutions, adjusted EBITDA for the period expected to exceed market expectations, increasing by approximately 30% to 1.6 million. Think about cash balances of 200 grand, reflecting continued investment. But they do say then, at the end of April, cash improved to 500,000 with accounts receivables of 3.9. They expect further improvement here. They said there, so they're happy. So let's look at 4Global on the old MicroCap League. 4Global. Let's have a look at stats. Share price 54, target price £1, that's 85% upside. There are 14 million market cap, enterprise value 13.115, so that's good, it's in the green, more cash than debt. Very low liquidity, £4 a day, £4.5 a day, turned over. So be careful if you're a big buyer, you may get stuck there. Revenue 5.5, debt a little bit, 158, operating cash flow 1 million in the minus. Free cash flow 1.4, no dividend. But this was the last set of results. It's the colours have changed slightly, but top line is good. 26. Value was 4 times sales, pretty much there. Price earnings is minus, book there, so value isn't competitive, but health is okay. Efficiency is good. So we're looking here. This is a new company going forward. You need to look at forecasts. What are the forecasts on this? Broken out at 85%. How much cash they have? So they lost about for the half year, about 1. They do say the cash is growing. They do say so. They're not to worry about cash too much. That's what they say. But we're looking at 53% top line here. 19 was last year. So you're looking at about 20% top line growth is generally very good. So they are hitting that. I think that I put that one in there. But 74% gross margin. EBITDA of like 20. EBIT margins of 13. So they're going to be profitable pretty much this year, they're saying. And it's going to be growing. And the value here is okay. I give it upside pretty much 42, 45%. So let's look at the chart quickly on the technicals. We noted a bit of a downtrend. 4Global. So come to the market, the bull market, when money was free, life was easy. Everyone's having a good time in the market. In the market, just chucking money at everything. Yeah, invest it. Yeah, can't lose money in this market. And then all of a sudden, hey, so yeah, it's pretty much at a low. Did spike up on this day above the 50-day moving average. There we are, showing that there. It's above the 50-day. So, what's your thoughts, ladies and gentlemen of the jury? Yes or no? Add to the watch list. Is it worth watching? Or is it just one to ignore? What's your thoughts? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Mark says, GBL4 not for me. It's the first vote in. No. That's what Mark's saying. Anyone else? Anyone else or anyone else? Tom? No. Okay. Ryan? Yes. Harish? Yes. Ryan? Yes. One to watch, but longer term, Ed says. Rob? Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying, personally, I'm saying one to watch. I like the gross margins. I like the space they're in the data. The margins look okay. Graham, yes. Just after, I'm saying yes. Come on, Graham. I know you're kind. I think so. I think it's one worth watching. I mean, it's. I just want to see it start generating profit and scale, but it seems to be growing top line, doesn't it? We're looking for growth companies. The value is going to get better, surely, and I think the margins are good. I mean, good gross margins there. They start filtering through as we mature. Liquidity needs to improve, Darren. That wasn't the question, Darren, was it? Okay, no, you're right though. Yeah, no, I mean, having said that, be aware of liquidity. You're absolutely right, but remember, a rising share price, attracts buyers, so it will improve. It starts rising, but as yet, we are in a little bit downtrend. But for me, on the watch list. Audience participation time, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is go through some stocks.